It is once again time for the Law on You with the Aries Premier Attorneys Fellerman and Ciarimboli. Today's question very pertinent, especially with all of the fall sports that
no
kids
doubt.
play.
No doubt. Very good question. Were you at the gym this morning?
I was.
All right.
I wasn't playing baseball though, but maybe if I get in a little bit of shape, I'll be ready for the minor
I think you're in good shape.
Let's get to the question from Nancy in DuPont. She writes, my son was playing in a fall baseball game and there was a sharp piece of metal on the fence that sliced his leg. The league is telling us that they have no responsibility. What can we do?
Well, the league may be correct. I mean, it's really going to come down to the documents and who's running this league, whether they're leasing the field, whether they own the field, if somebody else owns the field. It's really going to come down to who is responsible for the maintenance and the upkeep of that particular facility. If the league is ultimately responsible for the maintenance and the upkeep, then they're going to be responsible. And obviously, there shouldn't be a piece of metal sticking out from the fence. If somebody else is the responsible party for maintenance and upkeep, then they're going to be responsible. It's really going to come down to what the documents say.
Yeah,
in this.
but I mean, the general rule is like kids shouldn't get hurt in that manner when they're playing baseball, soccer. That's different than when kids get hurt just playing the game. This is a negligent maintenance issue of a field, which is not acceptable regardless of any waiver, anything you sign. It's very important to understand that. And a lot of people just think, hey, I don't know what to do. That's why you got to call us. You pick up the phone, call us. We can answer all these questions for you. And it's helpful. More pictures, more videos, any information you get for us so we can really give you a good, fair answer quickly.
Yeah, absolutely. Hope they won the game, though.
Yes.
Maybe there was something positive that day. Or if you wanted your question answered, all you have to do is visit the website or give the hotline a call.